So guys, in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 amazing free apps that can help you become a successful trader in 2025. So now guys, if you are a newbie trader, you are new in this forex space. Now there are some basic things that you need to know for you to become a profitable trader. So guys, if you're interested in what I'm going to be talking in this video, right, you want to make sure you leave this video a like, okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, without any further ado, let's just get in to the video. As a forex trader, the number one thing you want to do is when you get a very good forex account. Okay, now how do you actually get forex account? For you to get a forex account, you need what we call a broker, right? A broker is the people that actually link you to your liquidity for you to be able to trade the market, right? So without a broker, you won't be able to access the forex market. Okay, now there are very popular brokers you can use right here. For example, there is Xnext, right? You can just go to your Play Store, right, and just type Xnext. Now this is one broker you can use, or you can use Derive broker. Now this is some brokers that you can actually use. Okay, now with this broker you'll be able to get your login details to be able to access the market liquidity. Right now I'm not going to be going in deep into other things like spread and how to get the best spread and trust trade broker now, but these are the some reliable broker that have actually paid out, right, that I've used, and I've seen that they actually pay out, even though I have issues with Xnest, but I'll still recommend them. I will still prefer you to trade with them as a beginner, or trade with Derive as a beginner, because these are the platforms that I use as a beginner myself. Okay, and even though Xnest has more manipulation than Derive is more reliable, to be very honest with you. But those two brokers are brokers that you are sure if you make money, you're going to get paid out, right? Because there are a lot of other brokers that will promise you even ahead that you definitely will not get your money, right? So they are there. So you just need to be careful. The reason I'm recommending these two brokers is because I've used them myself. Okay, so those are the number one thing you want to make sure you have on your phone. Now that you have gotten your broker, right, the next thing you need to do is to get your MetaTrader. Okay, now MetaTrader is a platform that allows you to enter your trades. Okay, you can enter your lot sizes, one lot size, mini lot size, micro lot size. Those are the things you do with your MetaTrader. Just type MT4 or MT5. Okay, now those are two different platforms. You have MT4. Now this is your MT4. As a trader, I already have it in my phone, as you can see it's stored, or you can use your MT4. This is MT5 actually. Okay, let's just go for MT4. This is also MT4, as you can see. Okay, I stopped using it for some time right now. I just decided to go for the latest version, which is MT5, because MT5 has a lot more to offer. So I would advise you guys as a beginner that you stick to MT5, really, because there's nothing in MT4. I don't think any good trader is bothering himself with MT4. MT4 has been there for a long time, but right now MT5 has more better software. It has a better utility. You can close multiple trades at a time. If you open multiple positions on MT4, you have to be closing it manually. A lot of other things that make MT5 good, but some people are already used to MT4. Both of them works great. Just take your time, explore the two platform, and then you know what works for you. Okay, now that with this MT4, let me go ahead and log into my own MT4 and show you how it look like. Okay, now once you successfully installed your MT4 and then you log into it, there is this your login code you will get from your brokers. Okay, now let me just go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Now this is where you come to add account. Okay, you just click on it and then you can search for your broker right here. If you are using Xnest, as you can see, there's Xnest and there's Derive on my MT5 backend. So you just go ahead and click find your broker and then you add them and then you log in with your login details. Okay, so guys, is that simple. So guys, once you successfully log into your MT5 account, right, as you can see, I've successfully logged into my MT5 account. there is something you need to know, guys. Once you've funded your account and then you've logged in, one of the important thing you need to understand is lot sizing, right? You need to know how much you are risking per trade, guys, and that is very key area that a lot of newbies make mistake and they blow their account even without knowing anything, right? You can just go ahead and click on the wrong lot size. So let me make noise here. So guys, as you can see right here, okay, if you this is called a standard lot size. As you can see, this is a standard lot size, okay, and then you have the 0.1. Now this is the mini lot size, okay, and then you have 0.01. This is the micro lot size. But guys, how are you going to tell the actual lot size that is good for your account? Depending on how much you are funded, right? Now the third app we're going to be talking about is the app that is going to help you to calculate your lot sizing. Very important, right? Now all you need to do is just to go and download this app called my FX book, right? You can actually get it on your Play Store, right? It is very easy to use, okay? And once you are there, you click on these three buttons right here, okay, and then you go to calculators. Now there are other softwares that can actually help you calculate, right? There are a lot of websites. Like if you go to there's a free calculator, I think in 5 pips FX or thereabout, or there's also a free calculator on baby pips, right? So you go to baby pips, you can also see free calculator that can help you calculate your lot sizing. Okay, now for example, this is GBP JPY. Now let's say for example I'm trading USD JPY, just like I've spotted. Now this is where you can actually change the currency. You can see there's a lot of currency right here. Now there is gold, there's I'm looking for USD JPY, okay, because that is the currency I'm currently trading. Okay, as you can see now, this is USD JPY. Now once you are here, you need to put in the account size. How much is the total value in your account? Let's say you have $1,000. Okay, then the stop loss, how many pips is the stop loss? You need to understand how many pips is the stop loss. Now I'm going to be showing you how to get that in our fourth app, because we are on the third app right now. Okay, now remember all these apps I'm showing you in this video are free apps that you can actually use, right? Let's say our stop loss is 20 pips, okay, and then what we want to risk, they just want to risk like 5%, right? And then let's just go ahead and calculate. So guys, as you can see, this is the lot size we are going to use, which is 0.39. And if the market goes in our favor, we will be in profit. But if the market goes against us, we are going to lose $50 because we are risking 5%. Okay, now you can decide to change this, swap this with money. Let's say for example you don't want to risk with percent, you want to risk with money. You are not sure you don't know how to calculate your percentage, but you know that in this 1,000 you don't want to lose $20 in this trade. Okay, just put $20 right here. Okay, you have swapped with percent, okay, and then you calculate. Okay, it's going to tell you the lot size to use. Now you can use 0.16, as you can see here, 0.16 lot sizing. Now this is the actual lot size you will go and put in that your MT5 account. Okay, if the market goes against you 20 pips, you will only lose $20, okay, and you will still have $980 in your balance left. Now this is important you understand how to actually do this as a newbie trader. Okay, now this is the third app. Now let's go to the fourth app. Okay, the fourth app that is going to make you become profitable in 2025. Now that app is called Trading View. Right now you're going to be needing a platform to actually do your chart work. Before you even think of either getting a forex account or log into your MT5 account or even getting your lot size, there's one other thing that is very important you need to know how to do, and which is called chart work. You need to look at the chart and know what the chart is saying. Okay, and how can you do that? You can do that with two apps. One is called Trading View, another one is called C Trader. But for me, I prefer to use Trading View, and there's a lot of other platforms that can offer you charts. There are even brokers that do offer charts. Okay, but right now I'm going to be showing you guys Trading View because that's what I actually use, and I prefer Trading View because it is very convenient for me. right? Now, depending on what you are trading, for example, if you are trading synthetic indices, okay, there is also a trading view for that also. This is where you come, you look at your chart, okay, you do your analysis, and then you decide to take a trade. Then when you eventually decide to take a trade, you can now go straight to your MT4 or MT5 account to take your trade. So guys, I've given you guys the top 4 app you're going to be needing a forex account. You can get that from Xness or Derive, or you're going to be using MT4, MT5 account, or C Trader, right? And then you're going to be needing a lot size calculator, and now you're going to be doing your chart work on the trading view. Okay, so guys, if you have successfully done your chart work, you have done all your analysis, and you decide to place a trade, okay, and then the next thing you need to understand, or the next app that is a must have for you, is an app that can actually show you your fundamentals, because there are two ways to actually analyze the market. Because what you're actually doing reading the chart is called analysis. What you are doing is called technical analysis, right? But in most currency pairs, technical analysis is not always enough, because there's what is also called fundamental analysis. Now, fundamental analysis has to do with reading news, understanding what is happening to the economy of some certain the economy that actually own that pair you are trading. Because anytime you enter a buy or sell, you are actually buying one currency to sell to another currency. So if you understand what is happening in those economies, it's going to help you to make sound judgment. Okay, now there are apps that can actually help you understand what is going on, right? And one of those apps is also called my FS Book. Just I've mentioned it earlier. So as my FS Book is an app that contains a lot of things that can help you, so you should have it in your phone, guys. So you just go and click on 3 dots right here, and then want to click on calendar. Now, what this calendar does is it shows you the news events that affect different currency, right? Like for today, there are some news that have already played out. Okay, now if you see green button like this, you know that this news event doesn't affect. There's no more. You don't have to worry. Actually, okay, it's not very high. It's not a high impact news. Okay, but anytime you see red like this, you should be expecting a high impact news. You expect that whenever this news drops, it's going to affect the market. It's either it pushes the market up, it pushes the market down. Or most times when news happens like this, the market will break out of a range, because whenever some market like GBP or USD, sometimes if it's approaching the news release, it will just be ranging and ranging. By the time the news happens, it will either shoot up or it will shoot down. So guys, all these things is going to help you to become a profitable trader. Now you need to understand that every time you see a red on a GPP, then all the Great British Pound, all the GPP pairs, you need to be careful. You need to understand what you're doing, right? If you don't understand, if you don't want to, I will even advise you, right? If you're not yet good in trading, whatever news is coming up, just leave the market for now, okay? And then you allow the news to go, then you can now come back after everything has settled down. So as you can see, there's a news coming up in 7 hours 1 minute. 7 hours from now, there's a news coming up on USD. On USD. Now all USD pairs like USD JPY, GBP, USD, anything that has to do with USD card, there is going to be affected by this news, because this news is high impact news. Okay, so and it's coming up by 7 hours from now. So guys, this is the places you can come and then check out for your fundamentals analysis. Okay, now what I'm doing right now is called fundamental analysis. I'm trying to read the news to understand what is going on, right? So these are the places you come to check all your news, your information. You can do that right here. There's a lot of other softwares that can actually help you do that now. But one good thing about this FS Book is that it can show you what is happening today. It can show you what will happen tomorrow, right? And I don't know, but it usually brings up the event tomorrow, and even this week, and even next week. So guys, it has a lot of information. I don't know, maybe because today right, but most of the time to bring out information about tomorrow. But that one should be an issue, right? You should, I believe that before today will finish, tomorrow information will come up. Now you can actually plan your trading activities all through the week in line with all these high impact news. Okay, now the news that affect most of the time is all those one of the major news that actually moves massive pips, up to 100 pips at times, is called those CPIs news or FOMC news. anytime those news comes up like this, it usually have very massive impact on the market. Okay, even more than all these ones you are seeing right here. So you want to watch out for news like that. Okay, so guys, now these are the top 5 apps that can actually help you become profitable in 2025. So guys, I hope that this video have helped you guys a lot as a newbie. If you like what I do here, support this channel by liking and subscribing to our channel. I'm going to see you guys on the next one, and bye for now.